They did they play I know in 2015. All right. Well, so with all these questions, you can create and practice. Did you work last night again? I'm going to underline the clue words. Last. Recall that. If you are studying 2 years ago, 2000, 2010, because this is the past. Last, the past. 2 days ago, the same thing. Before, last again, 2015. So when you doubt in an exam, remember that. The clue words. Now practice. Did you work last night? Yes, or what you say, or whether you say, yes, I worked last night, or yes, I did, or no, I didn't work last night. Did I study 2 years ago? Yes, I studied 2 years ago. Yes, I did study 2 years ago. Did he smoke in 2010? Yes, I did. Did. No, he didn't. Oh, yes, he smoked. Smoked in 2010. Oh, no, he didn't smoke in 2010. This she listened. This she listened last class. Yes, she did. No, she didn't. No, she didn't listen. Oh, yes, she listened. Listened last class. Did it work 2 days ago? Yes, it worked 2 days ago. Oh no, it didn't work 2 days ago. Oh yes.